Hey, what's going on, you guys? It is either Charles Hawaii here with another Mac tip video for you guys. This time I am going to a tutorial. It's going to be a tutorial on teaching you how to create a secure folder. So I mean, you create a folder on your Mac and you want to put a password on it and encrypt it, right? Well, there's a way to do it. The way to do it is, first of all, you press Command and Space bar on your Mac to bring up Finder. Then, as you saw already, you press Disk Utility right there. You bring it up, and that will pop up right there. You will see that. And now, you guys can't see, but you press File on the top left corner, and then you will be presented with new image, all these, right? File, new image, and you hover over new image. Then these you wanna click image from folder. So there you go, and then you want to choose what you want to encrypt. So on desktop right there, let's say I want to do this one. Sorry you guys, it's a little new to me. Random anime pictures, right? And then you will be presented with this, right? Random anime saved as. Name it whatever you want. Tags, you can add tags. Where, desktop. Encryption, I would recommend this one, 128-bit AES encryption over this one, because as you can see, more secure but slower. So I choose that one. Then you go there, and there, messed up, my bad. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and once you got your password all figured out, you press choose, and then once everything is done, image format, you want to press save, and it will creating folder, disk image, random anime pictures, right? So after that process is done, you want to press done. You want to get out of there, and there it is. So you might be asking yourself, what now, right? So double click on it, and it will ask you enter password to access random anime pictures, right? And remember password and my keychain. You can do that, but it might be risky. So yeah. So I do it 1 2 3 4, and okay, and it will automatically let you in. And there's my anime pictures right there, because I do love anime. Who doesn't? Yeah, so if you like this video, like, comment, and do subscribe for more videos in the future coming. Alright, you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Alright.